Hello and welcome to this quick tech video. My name is Aaron, a technical support specialist here at VirtuWorks. In this segment, we're going to introduce you to Azure Information Protection. To get us started, let's delve into what AIP is. Azure Information Protection, or AIP for short, is a cloud-based solution that enables organizations to discover, classify, and protect documents and emails by applying labels to the content. AIP tags the data with the level of importance or confidentiality and applies those security strictures to the files or messages. AIP is part of the Microsoft Information Protection solution and extends the labeling and classification functionality provided by Microsoft Office 365. Securing outgoing messages in Outlook is very easy. Content in your organization can be tagged to control where it goes. Along the top of Office apps as well as in Outlook Online, the options for classifications can be accessed, sometimes in the menu labeled Sensitivity. Here I compose a new email, select Confidential or Highly Confidential, then Recipients Only and hit Send. We'll open this message in a few minutes. Now if you want to protect a file to send as an attachment, right-click and choose Classify and Protect. Then select the level of protection, in this case Recipients Only, then hit the Apply button. The file should now have a new extension if visible, but also a new icon representing that the file is locked. You can often view a protected file or message by simply opening it. For example, opening a secured email or double-clicking an attachment in an email message. If the files don't open immediately, the Azure Information Protection Viewer should be able to open it. This viewer can open protected text files, image files, PDF files, and any file that has the .p appended to the file name extension. ptext in this example here. If the recipients cannot open a protected email in their built-in email client, they can use a one-time passcode to read the sensitive information in a browser. If the user was sent a protected email, follow the instructions to sign in with their social identity provider, such as Google for a Gmail account, or apply for a one-time passcode. Here we are opening the secured email message we sent earlier. There's an option to sign in or use a one-time code. Clicking the one-time code option sends an email to the person listed as the recipient. Applying the code in the field specified and hitting continue opens the document in the browser. That concludes this video segment concerning AIP. Please refer to Microsoft's knowledge base for more granular information or request a session with your VirtuWorks account manager if you're an existing client. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to receive an alert anytime new content goes live. Once again, my name is Aaron and I thank you for joining us today.